Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Simone if you're new here today. Today's video I'm just going to be showing you how I achieved this makeup look. So if you want to see how I achieved that, then just keep on watching. Alright guys, so we're going to be starting off using my Revolution palette. So I'm just going to be going in with this like soft pink shade, and I'm just going to pop that all over my lid with a fluffy brush. So I'm really like loading that product up, and I'm bringing it up quite high as well. That's super quick. And then now you'll have to excuse my brushes. I was playing with these colors yesterday and I haven't washed them. You know, it's just me. So they're already covered in pink. So I'm going to be using some Juvia's Place palettes that I've depotted. I'm going to use this like dark cranberry sort of shade. And I'm just really going to pile that up. This is a Morphe brush. I really like this one. This is a 456. I'm actually going to purchase a few more of these for my kit. I'm just going to zoom you in a little bit more. Oh. So I'm literally just placing that on the outer corner. And I'm just sort of like patting motions. Just gonna get a little bit more. Don't forget to tap the product off. And then got some fallout there. I'll clean that up after with a bit of concealer. I'm just gonna drag that under. To flick this out just a little bit, and then I'm going to go back in with that with a clean fluffy brush, and I'm just going to blend that until I can't blend anymore, basically. So this bit here I'm going to clean up with concealer. And then I'm going to pop this a little bit further into the crease. See how I'm really digging into my socket there? And I'm trying to stick a little bit more on the bone as I go further up. And then that fluffy brush and just blend. Great. Now I'm going to go in with a smaller brush. And I'm going to use this dark shimmer shade here. And I'm going to pop that literally just right in the outer corner, as close to my lash line. Just going in like a little bit of a circle motion. So I've just gone like this, and then twisted my brush like that. And then just circle motion those two together. Back in with that blending brush. And just blend that out. And then I'm gonna go back in with my Revolution palette, and this time I'm going to use this pearlescent shade on the end, and I'm just gonna pop that on my finger and just pop that in the center first and then towards the inner corner. And then I'm gonna get my fluffy brush again and just blend that through the crease line just to make sure that there's no transitions. Great. Now I'm just gonna quickly do the other eye. For that, I'm just gonna use my Maybelline Fit Me and a little sponge. Just gonna draw a little line and then blend. I'm gonna leave that a little bit harsh for now and then do the other side. Okay, now I'm gonna blend that a little bit further up now that I've made the little line. Same on this side. Just essentially softening that concealer line. And then I want to find a clean-ish brush. This is what I do when I think my brushes are a little bit dirty still. So I'm just going to blend the shadow that's left under the eye into the concealer underneath, just so there's no like massively harsh lines there. And then this one is a fluffy-ish brush. So I'm just gonna dip back into that first shadow that we put down and just blend straight over the top. I'm gonna do the same on the brow bone as well. And my sun's kind of come out a little bit just on this side. It's been a horrible day in Melbourne. I went to the shops just before just to get something for dinner, and I got caught in a little bit of hail and it was 4 degrees and now there's sunshine. Thanks, Melbourne. I'm just doing another little quick blend with that original fluffy brush that I had. And then I'm going to use a brown eyeliner. This is a Rimmel Soft Kohl eyeliner. Just going to quickly sharpen that. Just a little bit sharper, and I'm going to pop that on my waterline. And I'm also going to pop that just on the outer corner of my lashes too. only on the outer corner, just where I had that darker shade. And then I'm going to go in with this Rimmel. It is a Color Stay Cream eyeshadow in the shade 730. This is a really nice like cream eyeshadow. And I'm just gonna use a, can't really tell, just a pointy brush. And I'm going to pop this on the inner corner. It's very subtle, so I'm just going to put that on the inner corner and just a teeny bit in the center. Just popping that on and just using my finger to blend it. Just gives it a little bit extra bling. Then I'm gonna go in with my mascaras, so you guys know that I love the Maybelline, but mine is empty, so I just shove it in another one. Don't do this at home. Do as I say, not as I do. I will eventually buy a new one. I'm gonna get myself one for my birthday, which is in November, and since we're in lockdown again until the end of September, I can save some money to spend 50 bucks on a mascara. Now I'm just quickly going to do some blush and bronzer. This is my Models Prefer bronzer that I love. I just popped my Benefit Rock Couture blush on, and I'm gonna go in with my Bobbi Brown Pink Glow highlight. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this nice soft pink eyeshadow look today. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing how I achieved this eyeshadow look today. It is quite a simple one. It's really just like 3 sort of products. Nice, quick and simple if you're in a hurry and you just want to sort of spice up your day a little bit. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed seeing that quick eyeshadow tutorial. If you did, please leave me a comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week.